Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Weber Rotisserie Kit is probably one of the most versatile and convenient grilling accessories you can get for your 22-inch kettle grill, allowing you to effortlessly roast a wide variety of meats and vegetables to perfection, resulting in incredibly juicy and flavorful results that will impress your family and friends, and elevate your outdoor cooking experience to a whole new level. Number 5. Weber 22 Kettle Rotisserie Kit. This versatile kit transforms your Weber 22-inch kettle grill into a powerful rotisserie and pizza oven. It's perfect for large gatherings and creating delicious meals. With its electric motor and sturdy construction, it effortlessly roasts whole chickens, roasts, and more. Enjoy perfectly cooked food every time. The included pizza stone and peel make baking delicious pizzas a breeze. It's like having a dedicated pizza oven right in your backyard. The adjustable open door allows for seamless transitions between rotisserie and pizza modes. It's designed for easy setup and use. Built from durable stainless steel, it's designed for long-lasting performance and easy cleaning. It's a worthwhile investment for any grilling enthusiast. The kit comes complete with a rotisserie kit, pizza stone, pizza peel, thermometer, and support chips. Everything you need for amazing rotisserie and pizza creations is right here. What we like. It's a multi-purpose kit, including a pizza stone and peel, so you can make pizza and rotisserie at the same time. If you are looking for a versatile option to expand your grilling possibilities, this is the one for you. It is perfect for those who love both pizza and rotisserie cooking and want to maximize their grill's potential. What people say. The rotisserie motor is dead silent and everything is well built. Cooking pizzas on this is a blast. You'll wish you made more dough every time. The part one didn't know is that the kettle pizza is made in the USA, unlike Weber accessories. The other thing is the kettle pizza can be adjusted for either 18 or 22.5 grills. Number 4. Weber 22 Kettle Rotisserie. This rotisserie is designed to fit all 22-inch Weber charcoal kettle grills, making it a versatile addition to your outdoor cooking setup. Enjoy perfectly roasted meats and vegetables with ease. It features a powerful, heavy-duty electric motor that ensures consistent and reliable rotation of your food. This means even cooking every time. The improved design eliminates the need for a counterbalance on the motor, simplifying setup and use. It's easier to assemble and operate than ever before. It boasts a one-piece spit for greater strength and stability, ensuring your food cooks evenly and securely. This robust design prevents bending or sagging during use. The wooden handle provides a comfortable grip, while the porcelain enameled ring elevates it to optimize grilling space. It's designed for both functionality and convenience. With this rotisserie, you can easily create delicious, evenly cooked rotisserie meals. Get ready to impress your family and friends with your culinary skills. What we like. It features a heavy-duty motor and improved design that eliminates the need for a counterbalance. If you prioritize ease of use and robust construction, this is a great choice. Its simple design and strong construction make it perfect for those who want a reliable rotisserie experience without any hassle. What people say. What an incredible addition to my grilling and smoking equipment. It fit perfectly on my Weber 22.5-inch Performer grill with just a slight difference in size at the base of the rotisserie where it meets the top of the grill. I received this in 2015. I have smoked over 34 pounds of meat on it. Over 12 pounds of pork sirloin and over 20 pounds turkey. Both came out fantastic. Rotisserie is great and creates such moist meats because it doesn't just sit flat. High quality materials. Smoked a duck some drip pan potatoes. It worked great. Number 3. Onlyfire Weber Kettle Rotisserie Kit. This kit transforms your kettle grill into a powerful rotisserie. It's perfect for even cooking of larger cuts of meat. It features an improved design for a tighter fit on your grill, ensuring better temperature control. This ensures consistent cooking. It's designed to fit Weber 22 1/2-inch kettle grills and other similar models. Please double-check compatibility before purchasing. The included 110V motor effortlessly rotates up to 20 pounds of food. Enjoy perfectly cooked roasts and chickens every time. The 360-degree rotation ensures even cooking and moisture retention. Say goodbye to dry, unevenly cooked meats. Everything you need is included: main ring, spit rod, motor, bracket, counterbalance, forks, and a handle. It's ready to use right out of the box. It's ideal for entertaining. Roast multiple chickens or other large cuts of meat simultaneously for your friends and family. What we like. This upgraded version boasts a powerful motor for even cooking and a tighter fit for better temperature control. If even cooking is your priority, this is the ideal choice. It ensures your food is cooked perfectly every time, resulting in juicy and tender results. What people say. The motor is fantastic. It's quiet and strong. The rotisserie seems well made, with a wooden handle that screws on. It has two 4-prong offset forks that screw down easily and hold the roast well. It performed well for a 4+ hour pork roast. The motor was steady and quiet. Cord length is generous. It's well designed, and it works well. The first 2 uses I wound up with perfectly cooked whole chicken that was super moist. The motor is quiet. The central spit is robust. The hardware that holds the food on the spit is well designed. The handle stays cool to the touch. Number 2. Onlyfire Weber Kettle Rotisserie. It's the perfect accessory to elevate your outdoor cooking experience. This kit transforms your charcoal grill into a powerful rotisserie, allowing you to cook large cuts of meat with ease. It fits most 22 to 12-inch Weber charcoal kettle grills and similar models. Please note it does not fit the 22-inch WSM cooker. It features a heavy-duty electric motor and a high-temperature resistant steel ring. The included spit rod and meat forks ensure secure and even cooking. It allows you to cook roasts, chicken, and turkeys with ease. Enjoy perfectly cooked meals every time, extending the versatility of your grill. It may not be a perfect fit for all grills, resulting in a small gap. This gap might cause slight heat loss, but it doesn't affect the rotisserie's functionality. You can easily seal the gap with aluminum foil or a high-heat gasket. With this kit, you can expand your grilling capabilities and create delicious rotisserie-style meals. Order yours today and start cooking. What we like. It comes with a heavy-duty motor and is easy to assemble, making it a great value for your money. If you're on a budget but still want a reliable rotisserie kit, this is a great option. It provides excellent value without compromising on essential features. What people say. It's a decent deal and is good quality. Kit fits fine. I've used it 3 times now and have made a chicken and shawarma. Opened it up, looked amazing, easy to put together. Got to use it on New Year's Eve, the ring fit perfectly, no gaps as some have mentioned. Motor is whisper quiet and you get a long cord, I'd guess 8. Did a 5 #prime rib and had no issues at all, worked perfectly. Fits my Weber kettle grill perfectly. Comes with everything you need to get started. Very quiet and easy to clean up afterward. Number 1. SHINESTAR Weber 22-inch Rotisserie Kit. It fits perfectly on your 22-inch Weber Kettle charcoal grill, including Original Kettle Premium, Original Kettle, and MasterTouch models. Enjoy effortless rotisserie cooking. This improved design eliminates the need for counterweights. Its durable, one-piece spit with 4 prongs securely holds your food. It's made of high-temperature black-coated steel with a reinforced lip. It can withstand the heat and sit securely on your grill. The powerful 110V4W motor rotates evenly, ensuring your food bastes in its own juices. It can handle up to 20 pounds of food. Convenient wooden handles on both sides allow for safe and easy removal after cooking. No more burnt hands. With this kit, you can easily roast a whole chicken, small turkey, ribs, or other favorites. Get ready for delicious, evenly cooked meals. What we like. This kit offers a perfect fit for your grill and features a design that eliminates the need for a counterbalance, along with convenient wooden handles. If you value a secure and easy-to-use rotisserie experience, this is the one for you. The added safety and convenience make it perfect for various skill levels. What people say. Works well and my chicken came out good. Easy to put together and use. Also nice that this one does not require a counterweight to make it work with a heavier item. This rotisserie worked well with our Weber kettle. Good fit, motor worked well, and accessories were well made. Made for some good rotisserie barbecue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.